So I just installed this HEYFUN tent on my truck, and I'm very surprised at all the room it's got. It's got a lot of storage room. It's got your USB plugs over underneath that corner over there. LED lights up top. Very soft mattress. It's very low profile when it's put down. Nice ladder. It's a nice awning. I have to move my little light right there to make it straight, but it's a very nice and nice size awning. Comes with the rain guard up there, but it comes with an extra one also, a white one, in case you decide you don't like this one. It's good looking. Here's your plug right here for your lights and stuff on the inside. It's a very nice tent. I highly recommend it.
Here, this cable won't even go down to the daggum plug. It won't even reach. Then, when I plug it into my jackery, which is on 92%, nothing. No lights. Crap. That sucks.